Imaji Rasa Series, 6 Minutes Learning Sensory with Miss Riris.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Miss Riris. Nice to see you again. How's your day? Great! Hopefully today we pass this day with joyful. This section we will learn about panelist selection and training for food sensory evaluation. So, are you ready to go? Yeah, let's go. Panelist selection and training are carried out to obtain panelists who are well trained and have good sensory sensitivity. Why? Because panelist is one of essential item to do sensory evaluation. So, the learning objective in this section is student will be able to arrange stage of panelist selection and training, and then student will be able to describe how to choose a good panelist for sensory evaluation. The stage for panelist selection is number 1, interview, number 2, screening, the third, selection, 4, training, and then the last is ability test. And training is part of panelist selection. Before we do the ability test, panelists need to be trained with the stage of the first is detection, second is intensity, and then discrimination, descriptive, and scale or rating. This section will focus on stage of panelist selection. Panelist training will discuss in the next section. First, interview. This stage aims to assess the suitability of potential panelists to the requirement, including knowledge of the sensory attributes, experience, and motivation. In this stage, we need to ask panelists about health status include physical and physiological status. Sick people cannot be panelists. Second stage is screening. This stage aims to identify panelists who are qualified to participate in this training. Potential panelists are tested on their basic abilities in recognizing sensory attributes such as color, aroma, and taste, using basic tests like identification test, threshold test, and discrimination test. After screening, the stage is selection. Prospective panelists are selected who meet the requirements and have the potential to become competent panelists. The training aims to further familiarize the sensory properties of a commodity and to increase the sensitivity and consistency of the assessment. Before the training phase begins, panelists need to be given clear instruction regarding the test to be carried out and the required prohibition, such as prohibition on smoking, drinking alcohol, using perfume, and others. The duration of intensity of the training greatly dependent on the type of analysis and the type of commodity being tested. This is some tests who can be used at training. For the detection, we can use 5 basic flavor, and then the intensity we can use threshold test, the discrimination we can use triangle test, descriptive we can use QDA test, and then the scale we can use rating test. This stage aims to evaluate the extent to which panelists have mastered in the training material and their ability to conduct sensory evaluation accurately and consistently. The ability test is carried not only once, it's repeatedly so that the sensitivity and the consistency are improved. After passing the 5 stages above, the panelists are ready to become trained panel members. After the stage of panelist selection and training, the sensory analysts need to have a measure of the performance of each panelist. The term we use is validity and reliability. What is validity? Validity is the correctness of the response. The percentage of correct response can be calculated for each panelist. Validity can be measured by comparing panel results to variation of stimulus. And then what is the reliability? Reliability is the ability to reproduce result. It means the consistency of panelists' answer in different tests. After the project complete, panelists should be informed the test objective, result, and the contribution made by the sensory result to the decision taken regarding the product. This feedback and reward tends to give the individual panelists a sense of how am I doing, so they can maintain the performance and have motivation to do best as the panelists. I think it's enough. Hope this information can be raise up your motivation to be good panelists, and for more information and discussion, please scan this QR code and join us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again and have a nice day.